Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Myself, Ricky Thapar. I'm Joint Secretary for Poultry Federation of India. On behalf of Poultry Federation of India, I would like to thank Mr. Rex for organizing this beautiful technical seminar, and we appreciate that Mr. Rex has given the opportunity to interact with the poultry leaders of Tamil Nadu. Poultry Federation of India is all India body which was started in 1988 and is doing great work for the welfare of poultry farmers. Poultry Federation of India takes the issues of regional issues, national level issues of farmers, feed millers, equipment manufacturers, and then we act like a bridge between the farmer and the Government of India Animal Husbandry Department. Any issues we take to the government, we represent them and we try to solve the issues. Mr. Ranpal Dhanda, the young and dynamic person, is the President for Poultry Federation of India. Mr. Sanjeev Gupta is Vice President Headquarter. Mr. Ravinder Sandhu is Secretary for Poultry Federation of India, and Mr. Rahul is Treasurer. Similarly, we have got zonal vice presidents of each zone for South India, for West India, Central India, East India, and North India. Mr. D.S. Subramaniam from Hyderabad, he is vice president for South India, and then each under South West president, we have got executive committee members. So Mr. P.S. Mohan from Namakkal, he is one of our executive members who is doing a very good job. So a round of applause for Mr. P.S. Mohan from Namakkal, who is on executive body. As most of you must be knowing, Poultry Federation of India, jointly in partnership with VIV Worldwide, is going to organize a Poultry Expo in Delhi. This VIV Select India, that's going to be from April 22nd to 24th, 2026 at Yashobhumi Convention Center, New Delhi. I'll just show a small video about that. May I request Mr. Saurabh to start the video about VIV Select India? This VIV Select India is going to be in Yashobhumi, New Delhi from April 22nd to 24th April. And on behalf of Poultry Federation of India, we all invite you. This VIV Select India is being organized by VIV Worldwide, which are pioneer in exhibitions doing like VIV China, VIV Asia in Bangkok, VIV Europe. So several exhibitions worldwide they do. Thank you very much. And once again, Mr. Rex, thank you for giving this opportunity to interact with the leaders of Tamil Nadu. And on behalf of Poultry Federation of India, we again invite you to visit VIV Select India. And we would also, on behalf of Poultry Federation of India, we would like to present a memento to Mr. Rex. May I request Mr. Saurabh Gupta, Executive Committee member, to be on the dais. We have Mr. Xavier, who is also VIV Worldwide consultant for French companies. I request Mr. Xavier to be here, please.